Welcome to the Sticky Art channel. In this video I'm going to show step by step how to make Richie from the new 2017 Stephen King's It movie into a paper puppet. This is a special release on my channel in celebration of the red box release of the It movie 2017. Came out last year in theaters and DVD. Now it's coming to Redbox for rent for all those who haven't seen it yet and weren't sure if they were really wanting to buy it. Definitely one of my favorite movies of 2017. I really enjoyed the characters, Loser Club, which I so far have made almost all of the Loser Club into paper puppets, as well as Pennywise. So far I've made Bill Denbrough, Georgie Denbrough, Beverly Marsh, and now Richie. Plan on making the rest before the next movie comes out. Step 2, went ahead and used watercolor. I also am using a thicker paper. This helps with the paper for watercoloring as well as for the rigidity for the puppet. Once you color them in, go ahead and cut them out. I will also be posting a template pretty soon here that is downloadable and printable that you can just cut out rather than drawing and painting. Finally, let's assemble the puppet. Go and poke holes in the neck, legs, and arms. I'm using a bendy pipe cleaner or arts and craft pipe cleaner to stick on the legs, arms, and head. Some scotch tape. There you have it. That's how you make a Richie paper puppet.